now line 3. Sattarani krita sabhava sudha rasogam. Sattarani krita sabhava sudha rasogam. Sattarani krita. Krita means to do, to act. Sattarani. Sat, I mentioned Sat means eternal, Satchidananda, but eternal means the people of eternity, the eternal people, the seekers of the eternal, the seekers of God, of the Absolute. There's a Sat. Like we say, Sadguru and Sad Shishya. My Guru is eternal, birth after birth. The very, very same Guru will come to me. And Krishna will show me the way and help me understand and recognize him. Obviously, you won't have the same nose, or you may even have the same nose. You may have the same form. One of my teachers told me the Guru may come in exactly the same form. And your form may change. Krishna may give him exactly the same form. So you'll easily recognize, hey, this is my Guru. But for sure, Krishna will give you the memory to realize this is my Guru. And even if his form is not the same as it was in previous, but the same Guru. Janme say, what does it Prabhu say? The Narottam Das Thakur, that is not an emotional outpouring, a way of seeing Guru. That is a fact. It's a Guru Vandanam? Chakudhano dilo ye. Janme Prabhu say. Janme Prabhu. This Prabhu is used for Mahaprabhu, Krishna. Nityananda Prabhu, Advaita Prabhu, the Teen Prabhu. The Teen Prabhu Gaudiya Sampradaya is Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, Advaita Prabhu. And then Guru Prabhu. But then, oh Prabhu, where's my shoes? Oh Prabhu. Really, it's not the proper term. We use it, but it's not really quite correct for just, das and dasas and dasis. But at any rate, he's saying here, Sattarani, these are the, Krita means Radharani. When you come here, Radharani, she delivers these people. And then now the line describes Radharani. So first we heard, leave everything, Sarva Mahatam, come to Vrindavan, follow the great devotees, follow the path of Raganuga Bhakti. Then what will happen? That Vrindavan will deliver you. The great devotees will deliver you. But most especially, all this deliverance that's performed by the great devotees, or the deliverance or liberation or perfection that's given to you by the great devotees and by Vrindavan, is actually given by Sarva Shakti Mayi Radha. She is the background of everything, the cause of everything, and the moving principle behind everything in Vrindavan. Sattarani Krita Subhava Sudha Rasogam. Now this verse is all about Radharani. Subhav Sudha Rasa Ogam. Each word is a glorification of Radharani's Mahima, Radharani Mahima. Subhav, Sudha, Rasa, Ogam. Ogam means concentration, lots of, an abundance. And Ras means one, I saw one Western devotee translated the word Ras as divine rapture. It's a very difficult word to translate. Srila Prabhupada translated Rasa as mellows, right? Mellows, very nice. Mellows, emotions, feelings, ecstatic rapture. Divine rapture, divine meaning spiritual. Spiritual, deep, loving emotions, rasa. So then that Radharani is a rasa ogam. She's an abundance, unlimited. And Sudha means nectar. And then Subhava means, Su means good, auspicious. Bhava means feelings, Subhav. So the translation here is she is full of rapturous nectar. Radharani is full of rapturous nectar. And that Radharani is the one that delivers us when we come to Vrindavan. So two qualities. The translator has translated rasogam, although it means abundance, he translated it as a nectar stream. I translated it as who is full of rapturous nectar. And he said she is a nectar stream of good moods. That's also nice. A nectar stream, because Sudha means nectar, and Ogam means making that into a stream. Abundance, a stream, in other words, a river. A stream means it's steady flow. So abundant, so Ogam actually means, you could say that, because Ogam means abundance, but it's not an abundance that has a saturation or a limitation point. Like, oh, he has an abundance of wealth, but you may be able to measure it. He may have $100 million. Well, how much does he have? Well, he has an abundance. Abundance means lots of. Well, how much? 100. But in this case, this word ogam means an abundance which is immeasurable. So it's going on and on and on. So I guess that's why the insightful translator said ogam means a stream of nectar, sudha rasa. But he just said a stream of nectar, of good moods, but he forgot the rasa. So Radharani is a nectar stream of rapturous, or she's a stream of rapturous nectar, to combine the two. So these are two qualities of Srimati Radharani. She's a nectar stream of wonderful feelings and moods, and she compassionately delivers the devotees. Because one of her moods, one of her subhavas, subhav of Radharani, which is one of her great nectarian qualities, is the fact that she loves devotees. She really loves devotees, and she loves to help them.